Are you passionate about food and teaching others how to create delicious dishes? Starting a cooking school business in Malaysia could be your next big venture. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a food enthusiast, this business idea offers a wonderful opportunity to share your culinary skills. Choosing the right location for your cooking school is essential. Ideally, it should be in a central area with high foot traffic. Next, you'll need to register your business and acquire the necessary licenses and certifications, such as business permits, health certifications, and insurance. Creating a comfortable and efficient kitchen space will ensure a great learning experience for your students. Once your school is ready, it's time to spread the word. Use social media, local advertising, and word of mouth to promote your classes. Collaborating with local chefs or food influencers can help boost your brand. Offering free demos or cooking workshops can also attract potential students. Starting a cooking school in Malaysia offers endless possibilities for food lovers. With the right planning, marketing, and passion for food, you'll be serving up success in no time. Ready to turn your love for cooking into a profitable business? Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia and let's make your dream business into reality.